So how to download iOS 27 on your iPhone 70 or any iPhone without computer. For that, first of all, you have to go your any browser and type Apple developer, then open this website and press on sign in, and sign in with your current Apple ID. Once done, you can see the three dotted line, and under this section you can see the submit. Then you can see this kind of interface. Just mark this on and submit, and you can see the next message, select not interested. And once done, then go back to your setting and setting general, and from here you can see the language and region. Make sure you are selecting the United States or Europe zone, where the iOS 27 is available now. And now simply go back to your setting and go to the software update, and then you can see the beta update. Now select your iOS 27 developer beta, and then you can see, if you go back, then here is the beta. So now if you press on update now and enter your password, now your download will be start. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.